Oh, it's my custom cruisers. Okay, beautiful bit of kit here. We've got some Triumph service tool boards. These are genuine items. Okay, these will be going on eBay shortly. There's some very, very rare tools as well. Okay, you can see these are for different bikes. Obviously, you know more about Triumph than I do. Now, you got all these weird and wonderful tools, which not dead sure what they are. That one needs a bit of a clean up. Could soon be cleaned. This one, I presume, is this. Okay, you've then got this round one, clutch tool, I imagine. This thing here, very, very long, possibly a fork tool. We've got this one, another fork, clutch, I imagine. Little funny thing here. And then we've got this one, which is pretty huge. I'm not sure exactly what that is. But these tools, as I say, will be going on eBay. If you're interested, give us a bell. You know, if you can tell me what they are. Thank you.